Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you OnPinShop latest V8.0 key features highlight. V8.0 is focused on increasing the productivity, saving time, and offering personalized experience to your end clients. So in this video, you will get the key feature highlights and its benefits, some of the enhancements in the business solutions like PhotoBook, Canvas, and custom logo and artwork. And you'll get an overview of 70 plus new features introduced in this version. One of the major updates we have done in product setup and pricing. In V8.0, we have introduced product options and option rules master. This will save a lot of time for printers who would like to set up their complex pricing in OnPinShop. Apart from that, we've also introduced formula-based pricing. Now for large commercial printers and some of the print shops setting up the pricing, they always have to create the Excels and hundreds and thousands of rows. Instead of that, they just have to set up the variety of formulas in OnPinShop admin only once, and automatically calculation will be applied. So days are gone where you have to use complex Excels, create formula, and work with thousands of rows and records. Also, we have introduced dynamic height calculation for the shipping package. Now, this would give your end customers a very lower shipping rates, because dynamic height calculation for the shipping package will create the best package combinations options depending on the product size, thickness, and weight from the packaging master, and it would also create a dynamic package. So this would give an advantage to an end customer because you will get the lowest rate in your storefront. So let's look in the OnPinShop solution. Now here you can see the new section in admin panel under the product, which is product options. From here, you will be able to manage all your master options. For example, you're offering paper, material, printing site, turnaround time, almost in all the products. So in previous version, you had to create options separately in each product. You had an option of duplicating, but still all the options was calculated and set up separately in each product. But now you just have to set up the product option masters, and you can use this product option master in any product. Along with product option master, we've also introduced the designer rule master and option rule master. So designer rule master means any of the printing side, maybe front or front and back, you may want to hide some of the designer studio pages when they select front. Along with that, we also introduced product option rules master. So you only have to create rules hiding the specific options based on the product quantity, option selected in the storefront. Now, this will save a lot of time of printers setting up the product options in each product. Now, let us discuss the most innovative feature we have introduced is formula-based pricing. Now, once you create your product options, you can apply variety of formula in your product master, which will calculate the cost. Now, here we have introduced quite many multiple price defining methods. One is a formula-based, where you can create a complete custom formula, multiplier in subtotal, and multiplier in base price. So let us take an example. Here we have created an option called paper, and we want to calculate the paper cost for any product, multiply with the quantity and area. So now we only have to set up this option once, and this would calculate price into quantity into width and height. If you want to change the range lookup, sometimes you want to calculate maybe for the wide format product with the total area, or custom width and custom height. You can also change this range lookup, and this would create a custom formula. Another price defining method we have introduced is multiplier in subtotal. So in this case, what will happen, you want to charge some percentage extra whenever they select this particular option. For example, here we have created an option called printing site. So when they select front, you may not want to charge extra because you may have covered in the base price. But when they select front and back, you may want to add 20% more in the cost. So that is how the percentage in base price would work. And another option what we've added is multiplier in subtotal. So you do not want to add in the base price, but you want to add percentage in the total price. So here in this case, like turnaround time, that you may want to charge, for example, 20% extra when they select the next day turnaround. And you want to charge maybe 10% extra when they select 2 to 4 days turnaround. So here, the subtotal, whatever the subtotal would be of that product, this much of percentage would be added. Similarly, in the formula-based pricing, if you have set up your products with the sheet, you can also configure pricing formula-based as per the sheets. So now when you apply a specific formula, there is a tab which would open in attribute price. So now in attribute price, for example, this is a material per label, and here I have selected sheet based pricing. So I have to just put the total sheet price, and here for each options I have to configure it once. Here I have selected not the sheet pricing, here I have selected the normal pricing. So here also, like if I open the attribute price, I am able to set up option price per piece into this options like paper. So now whether it is a business card which is 2 into 3.5, if it is a brochure which is for example 8.5 by 11, or it is a custom size wide format product where you are setting up the sizes in the feet. So whatever product it could be, this formula will always calculate the accurate cost for this option. On top of this, we have also introduced apply linear formula method. Now this would really help you set up the higher ranges. Now, previously in on-pin shop, when you need to create range-based pricing, you had to set a lot of range, like 1 to 1,000 per piece, you want to charge 0.5, 1,000 to 5,000 per piece, you want to charge 0.4. But in this normal formula, what happens is if customer buys, for example, only 1,002, they get 0.4 price. Now here what it would do, when they select a particular quantity, it would see whether it is closest to the lower range or a higher range. And it would calculate the median or linear pricing. So for example, if customer selects 1,200, it would not apply 0.4, but it would apply 0.495. Now with linear formula, you will save a lot of time because printer do not have to set the long price ranges. They only have to set few points and equal internals, and linear formula will calculate the price in between the intermediate points within the range. Now another feature we have introduced in V8.0 is dynamic height calculation for the shipping package. Now, this will really help print service providers to offer lowest shipping rates to their customers. Now, here, the dynamic shipping calculation will dynamically calculate the best packaging combination and options depending on the product size, material thickness, and weight. Now, here, in the previous versions, you're able to manage all your master packages and the weight and the dimensions. And further, this dynamic height shipping box calculation will also create the best box. So end customer will always get the better shipping rates when they see in the price calculator. Now, after you set up the formula-based pricing, we also created this feature to help print service providers to verify whether the formula which they've applied is working correctly and giving the accurate cost. So now they can log in as an admin and open the same product in their storefront. It would show me what is the total quantity, width, height, what is the total area, and all these attributes what we have set up in formula, which would be displayed here. So I can verify whether pricing which I have set is correct or not. Another key enhancements we have done in print order management. Now, print service providers can manage back-end ordering very easily. They can modify the order and they can also reorder directly from the admin panel. Further, vendor procurement has advanced rules. So in the previous version, you were allowed to assign products automatically to the vendor. But now further, we have taken this one more level where you can also select a specific quantity options and create rules of vendor procurement. So if you want to say, okay, larger quantity goes to vendor 1, smaller quantity go to vendor 2, this kind of rule can be also defined in this rule-based product assignment. There are some new reports and enhancements as well as shipping package calculator in order to identify the best package and to check the lowest wastage from an admin panel. So let's look into the backend. Now in the modify order, all the options you have set up in the price calculator will be visible in the drop-down menu. So you do not have to manually type. Instead of that, you can select from a drop-down. Also, if you want to apply any custom options, you can select custom options and type it here. Also, there is an option of reorder in order action. So now here, when I click on reorder, it directly helps me to reorder this item from a backend. I don't have to log in as a customer. I can simply find any previous order and click on reorder. Now let us see the rule-based product assignment to the vendor feature. Now here in V8.0, you can assign the products, auto-assign products to a vendor. So anytime customer orders a specific item or the product, it will automatically go to vendor. Now further, here you can also create rules for individual products. Now, for example, a specific product we need to assign to a vendor depending on the size or quantity, we can create the rule. So above certain quantity, you may have a different vendor. and below certain quantity, you may want to go or offer that order to another vendor. So now this will help print service providers to partner with multiple vendors, and depending on the rules or depending on the best options provided by vendor, they can auto assign jobs to the vendor. In the report, we've added a new report called stock summary. So if you are offering a lot of stock items and fulfillment items, you can manage the stock, and this report would help you identify how much stock level is available for each product. Plus, we have enhanced the report visibility. So here you can configure how many fields you like to see in the report. So display fields, as well as you can also select a separate field for the export. So this will offer better visibility, identifying the data, trends, and analytics by accessing the reports. Also, there is a new feature called package calculator. So you can set up all your master packages and dynamic size package configurations, but still, depending on the item and the total weight, if you want to find out which are the optimum boxes with the minimum wastage, this package calculator will help you calculate the best boxes and the shipping configurations. It would also show you what is the minimum wastage. So this would help print service providers in the backend to find out what would be the best packaging and the boxes to ship this particular item. Now let us look at the store for enhancements. Now your customers can easily upload the multiple files for any specific order. There is a phone number validation, which would help you to get always correct number. So if you are sending even SMS notifications, this would verify the phone number, where we are using Google SDK. For any countries, the Google SDK verifies the phone number. There is an enhancement in request a code. Even especially for the label products and special size products, we have introduced displaying the additional options before product size. So many times labels are offered in different shape. So that shape you want to display before the product size, now it is available. And in corporate B2B storefront, customer can also download the artwork without placing order. So let's see. Now there is a setting per product we've enabled, which would allow your end customers to upload the multiple files for a particular job. So in many cases, when you're offering product, and apart from front and back pages, you may also want customers special print attribute pages like spot UV or foil pages. They can add extra pages depending on their print method. Another feature we've introduced is phone number validation with Google SDK. So Google SDK works as per the country. So if I add any number and if it is not matching the particular digit, the Google SDK will verify and it would show them the invalid phone number. If you are sending them the SMS notification, this would help you to get the correct number from the customer. Now in the storefront, another feature we've introduced is request a code with price calculator field. So in the previous version, for every product, the attributes and the fields had to be created separately, but now you can enable all the product price calculator option you already created for existing product. You can display in the code. So now customers are able to select the same options what you have set up in price calculator. And if they want any other option, they can also select other option. Also, all the extra fields which you want to create apart from your price calculator in request a code, you can also create from the backend. Now there is a new feature displaying the additional options before the product size. Now this feature would really help you to display the special shape products as well as products like labels. So you want to display the shapes before the product size, now you can do it. Now to display additional options before size, there is a setting per product available now in the backend. You can select any product or a specific options and now you can enable display above size. You can also enable multiple options to display before the size. Now the next feature we've introduced in corporate private storefront. Now your corporate customers can personalize the item in the storefront, and without placing order, they can also download the Printvery file. Also, we have introduced the report in the backend for the corporate administrator as well as super admin to see how many customers have downloaded the Printvery file. Now, let us see the key enhancements in the Designer Studio. We are very happy to share that we introduced Google font support. So now you can import 1,000+ Google fonts and offer those all fonts to your end customers in the Designer Studio. Plus, we have improved the usability in the Designer Studio by introducing some new feature like object grouping, format printers, swap images, object default lock. Also, it will display the used colors and fonts, and you can also bind the colors and default options for each template. So now here in the backend under the Studio fonts, you can add the fonts directly from Google. So here there is a search bar. You can search any Google fonts, which will automatically apply all the previews and the font file which you can import in the Designer Studio. And they can utilize those fonts, personalizing any print products in their storefront. Also in V8.0, we have introduced some usability improvements in the Designer Studio, which will help end customers utilize and personalize any template easily. So the first is, by default, all the objects will be locked. You can change the settings, but now see all these objects are locked, so they cannot change the movement. But as soon as I unlock it, I'm able to personalize it. Another is object grouping. So all the objects, if I want to apply different properties, I had to select separately in the previous version, but here I can select multiple objects and create a group. And now I can apply the formatting settings for both these options together. Another option is a format printer. So if I select any object and I want to apply the same formatting to another object, I just have to select the format object and apply. Another useful image we have introduced is swap images. So customer can easily swap images within the template by using this option. So here, this image, I want to swap with another images within the template. So I can click on a swap, apply this swap into images. It will automatically replace and swap both the images. So now with these new usability improvement features, end customers will be able to easily personalize and apply multiple options and objects within the template. Now, user would also be able to see the default fonts and default color used in the template. So when they are personalizing, they will be able to see, like, within this template, the number of colors or font used, and they can apply the same colors in another objects as well. Also now, per template, you can choose whether customer can use the default and bound colors. So here you can restrict users to using default colors from the product color picker. And when you select default fonts restrict, they'll only be able to use the default fonts. So any of the specific template, you may not want customer to use the other colors than the default colors. You can also restrict by choosing this option. Also further, we have enhanced the print business solutions to help print service providers to get into multi-print product segment. Now, custom art logo maker will also allow your end customers to create multiple logos and arts and save and edit and store in their My account, so they can reuse those anytime. In the photo book now, Flipbook product is supported, which is a new feature. And in the Canvas solution, we also introduced master options plus custom color support in the edges and frames. So in the custom logo and art maker for any product, you can enable, and customers are now able to create those custom art and logo and save it in their My account. So here I'm creating multiple custom logos. I can select which one I like to use. At the same time, I can also store this logo to be reused next time. So now all these logos collectively will be saved. So anytime when I go to any product and I click on my saved artwork, it will display all my logos which I have saved previously, and I can use that. As well as we are also showing them all the logos in their My account under the portfolio sections. So from there also they can edit it or create the new version. So now with custom logo and art maker, you can literally offer custom logo creator for the customers. So with the variety of options, customers can create the custom logo as an art, save it and reuse it anytime. Now in the photo book solution, we've introduced the new product support, which is for the flip book, which is normally printed on the soft cover. So now customers can able to design the hard cover as well as the soft cover photo book. So in that case, you have to create and configure the product in the backend as a flip book. And now when you select as a flip book, customer would be able to personalize variety of pages like front cover pages, as well as the inner front cover and the inner back cover when you select these options. So normally for the hard cover, they are not allowed to design the back side, but when you select flip book, it would enable and help them design their inner pages as well. And for the Canvas solution, we have introduced custom color edge design and custom color frame type. So now we can offer any type of frame colors or any type of edge design, and customer is also able to select a custom color from this color palette. So to enable this setting, we have a configuration in the backend where you can apply the custom color in the frame as well as in the edges design. Also in the Canvas, we have introduced the master options. So you don't have to create each and every option separately for all the Canvas products. Here also you can create all the options into a master and apply in any types of canvas you are offering. So hope you liked the new V8.0. Apart from that, 70 plus new features are introduced. So you can visit onprintshop.com solution versions, and there is a quick summary. And if you want to get a detailed information, we have a detailed user manual updated on the help portal. You can go to help.onprintshop.com and click on the latest solution release, and you will be able to understand each and every feature in detail and how they are configured. So thank you very much. If you need more information, you can contact us at www.onprintshop.com.